I'm going to show you how to add documents and folders to your Google Drive. There are two ways, or there's more than two ways. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The most intuitive way is a lot like attaching an email, putting something or attaching a document to an email, and that is to click this red arrow button, and that's your upload link. And you can choose to upload an individual file, or if you want to upload an entire folder and its contents, you can do that. So let me, I'm just going to upload a file, and you simply browse around to any file you want to upload. I'm going to upload a calculus worksheet. So let's see, that's 2.1, 2.5 review. Click on it, open. It pops up this window. It takes it all of a split second to upload something, unless it's a huge, like maybe a video file would take a lot longer, but Word documents will upload almost instantaneously. And you will see that that document is now in my Google Drive. Once it's in Google Drive, you can access it from any computer in the world as long as you have an internet connection. That's the beauty of the cloud computing. Another way you can add documents to your Google Drive is not on your web browser, but off the computer itself. So what I will do is click on this triangle, the Google Drive icon down here by the clock, and open Google Drive folder. And your Google Drive folder is probably in two locations. One of them is mixed up in this little folder garbly poo stuff down here, and it's mixed in with a bunch of other folders, but you see my Google Drive here, and then I had those three folders within my Google Drive. Also, you should have Google Drive in your favorites, and I don't know why I have that stupid little icon next to mine, but if you click on that Google Drive, that should be the same thing. And if you want to move a document into your Google Drive, then you can simply copy and paste it out of your H drive. So I'm going to go down to my H drive. I'm going to find a document. So let's say go back to calculus, and I want to upload another worksheet. So let's say I want to do the accumulation and average value worksheet. So I'll click on that. I will copy it, and then I'll go back to my Google Drive, which is under my favorites. Right click, and I will paste it. And right now you notice it has a couple of little arrows right there, and it just changed to a check mark. That means it has been uploaded. And if I go to my Google Drive on my web browser, you'll see that that document has already been uploaded. It's pretty much instantaneously uploaded, and that's the beauty of Google Docs and having Google Drive on your computer. So if you want to move pre-existing documents into Google Drive, those are two ways to do it. If you are working on a document, so let's say you open up Word and you're typing something for your students, and you need to save that into Google Drive. You want to completely bypass the H drive and just go straight to Google Drive. That's extremely easy. You simply click File, Save, and then instead of going to your H drive over here, we will go to Google Drive under the favorites, and there's my daughter. Hang on just a sec. Alright, sorry about that. My daughter's running around in here playing. And so once you click File, Save, go to your Google Drive, and here are your options. And I'm going to save something for your students. And when I save, it should be almost instantaneous. And it did. See how it popped up here? It also popped up twice. It has the silly one with the tilde and the $sign. That is simply telling you the document is still open. The Google Drive is aware that the document is still open and can still be edited. So what I'm going to do, I'll just simply close this because I have saved it. And when I close it, the one with the silly beginning will eventually disappear. Eventually disappear. Eventually, there it goes. And so those are the ways that you can put things into Google Documents. If you want to create a folder, you click on this black icon up here that has a little folder with a plus sign, new folder in my drive, and then title the folder something creative. And hit create, and now I have a folder, something creative. And if you want to move your documents into the folder, it's the exact same as you would do it in Windows. You simply click on the document and you drag it and move it into the new folder. If you want to move more than one document at a time, then you can click the check mark next to them. And now when I drag, see it says moving two items. Now I'm dragging both of them into something creative. And when I open up something creative, you can see all three of the documents. If you want to delete a document, very easy. Say you don't want it anymore. then you click the check mark, and when you click that check mark, you'll notice that you have some options up here that popped up, and you click the trash can, remove, and now that document's gone. So there are some basics on how to save documents into Google Docs. You also have the option, if you want to create a document completely from scratch in Google and not use Microsoft Word, you can choose Create, and then it gives you the options. You can do Document, a Presentation, which is Google's version of PowerPoint, a Spreadsheet, which is Google's version of Excel, and I don't use Form or Drawing, so I really don't know what those are. So you click Document, and then you just start typing, and it saves almost instantaneously. Up here you can see it's saving. Eve, are you making enough noise back there? And it's saved already, and if you want to change the name of it, you click up here where it says Untitled Document. It pops up this window, and I'll change it to New Stuff. Click OK. There's New Stuff. You're typing your worksheet, and you can see it's saving automatically. All changes are saved. And now if I simply close this tab and go back to my Google Drive, you'll see that my document is there and ready to go. So there is some basics on moving things into Google Drive and how to create documents within Google Drive.